Hello and welcome Forex traders. Steve here with tradingforexforprofit.com, and today we are looking at the Euro Aussie on the daily time frame. I've opened a sell order on this pair following this pattern that formed right here at former support being broken and now acting as the resistance level. Okay, so this pattern is in fact the break and retest. Okay, here's your bounce establishing the level. Actually, it was established back here, if you will. Okay, we bounce, we stall out and break through that level with the large bodied candle. Okay, that defines a breakout. Next, we pull away with a significant amount of white space right here. Okay, that's what we want to see. We want to see the market really pull away from the breakout zone before returning to it and producing a signal. Okay, here's the signal. Upon the opening of the market this week, we engulf this small-bodied candle right here and move back below the level. Okay, we break out of it here. We have some wick showing rejection, and then there's your engulfing pattern. Okay, the entry was last night, which is almost 24 hours ago, on the pullback right here. Okay, we're pretty close to that range at this point. Still, we moved down a little and now back this evening after the market closed. Okay, so I entered 24 hours ago. I'm just now getting around to filming this. The target is going to be above, let me draw this here, this level right here. Okay, so with the stop 5 pips above this signal, I placed my entry just a little pullback. Okay, I wasn't concerned about the 2 times profit because obviously that is well above this level regardless of where I've taken the entry. So I just waited on a slight pullback of this engulfing candle, all right, just so that I could get a better entry, all right. And if you will, this perhaps looks like the target zone. That's the sweet spot right there that I believe that we're gonna test and maybe touch this level down here. So as long as you're within this level on this setup, you're fine. Waiting on the market to move down and chase it but beneath this level, not a good idea. Okay, so like I stress over and over, you wait for whatever pullback is necessary to target your 2 times profit based on the stationary stop, which is a given. You always know that's 5 pips above the signal, and the entry. Okay, so modify, adjust the entry to place your 2 times profit exactly where you want it. Okay. Furthermore, not only is this breakout level being retested, we're rejecting the center Bollinger Band. Okay, to give confluence to this setup. All right, so we'll watch this trade as it plays out over the next couple days and come back to it then. Okay, our 2 times profit target was reached, just barely by a few pips here. Let me put the cursor on it. It looks like 42.67. Yeah, it hit it by about 7 or 8 pips right here. Took our profit target, and now what appears to be a move back to the upside is nothing more than the European market, or I'm sorry, the Asian market opening. It's 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time right now, so their market just opened, and if we zoom out here, it looks like here's the 15-minute. It appears as though that move was made on a news-related announcement or something of that nature. Just in a 15-minute bar we moved up, so I expect to see that fade back off and continue on down. For those of you that perhaps didn't wait on a little pullback here for the entry, and your target is down here just a little further. However, this is just another reason why I stress pick a zone, try to stay to the top of that zone for your target, and don't have unrealistic goals, because the market very well could push back up into this area, taking all these stop loss orders that are sitting right above here before collapsing on down further. So keep the targets tight, 2 times risk reward, wait on pullbacks, set up your pending order to enter the market, and set it up, with a pullback so that you can place your 2 times profit. If you don't do that, if you just chase it and let your 2 times target land where it will, then you're not going to be successful in this business. So set your stop loss where it's going to be stationary. Move your your entry until your 2 times profit target is placed where you want it. At that point, set up the pinning order. If it takes your entry, very good. If it doesn't, well then just move on to the next trade. Okay, so there you go. This was the break and retest at the center Bollinger Band, rejecting that center Bollinger Band for the confluence of indications there. Okay.